Where is the fuse box located in the 2024 Ford Mustang, and how can you access its diagram? This guide provides a quick overview of the fuse box location and layout to help you understand its essential components. Underhood fuse box. The 2024 Ford Mustang underhood fuse box features a compact design for easy access, housing essential fuses and relays that protect the vehicle's electrical systems. It includes a clear diagram under the cover for quick identification and troubleshooting of circuits. Body control module, fuse box. The 2024 Ford Mustang body control module fuse box manages the vehicle's interior and electronic functions, including lighting, windows, and locks. It features an organized layout with labeled fuses for quick identification, ensuring easy troubleshooting and maintenance of interior systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. Stay road ready with the advanced instrument cluster and warning lights, ensuring a safer, smoother driving experience. Thanks for watching.